How are military logistics roles changing with new technology? Imagine a world where moving supplies and equipment is faster, smarter, and more precise than ever before. That's exactly what's happening in military logistics today. As new technology develops, the way service members handle logistics is transforming quickly. In the past, military logistics relied heavily on paper records and manual tracking. It was slow and often prone to mistakes. Now, digital tools like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things are changing everything. These tools help predict what supplies will be needed before shortages happen. For example, software can analyze past missions and current plans to forecast ammunition needs, making inventory management smarter. Real-time tracking is another big change. Sensors and radio frequency identification tags are attached to equipment and supplies. This means logistics teams can see exactly where everything is at any moment. If a Marine needs parts from a warehouse, they can find out instantly if it's available and where it is. This reduces errors and saves time. Automation is also playing a major role. Robots and autonomous vehicles are now used to move goods in dangerous or hard-to-reach areas. Drones can deliver supplies to remote locations, and autonomous trucks can transport large loads without human drivers. This reduces risks for personnel and speeds up delivery times. Artificial intelligence is also helping prevent problems before they happen. It can spot counterfeit parts or overpriced items and alert teams to vulnerabilities in the supply chain. This keeps military operations running smoothly and securely. All these technological advances mean that logistics personnel need new skills. They now have to understand data analysis, software systems, and cybersecurity. Training programs are changing to include these skills, and career paths are opening in areas like data management and systems integration. Living and working in the armed forces, these changes mean logistics jobs are becoming more technical and less physically demanding. Service members will work with advanced tools and make decisions based on real-time data. This creates opportunities to specialize in areas like data analysis or cybersecurity within logistics. Every day, you might see a supply sergeant using a tablet to check inventory across bases or a transportation specialist coordinating autonomous vehicle routes. These innovations make the whole system more efficient, reduce waste, and ensure troops get what they need when they need it. In the end, military logistics is shifting from manual, reactive tasks to fast, data-driven operations. This makes logistics faster, more accurate, and more reliable. For those in these roles, it's an exciting time to learn new skills and be part of modernizing how the military keeps moving forward.